What is good for the culture family? Get up off of studio mode and we are going to get active. Hope you guys are having a great start to your morning. I am having a great start to mine. Got that workout in. Feeling good. Coming on to the markets. Just sent out to the pre-market prep to the team. And yeah, we're going to actually dive into these charts today. So let me actually send this out. To the team real quick. Boom. It's been sent out to the team. I'm gonna forward that, send it out to everybody else. Perfect. All right. So let's actually dive into the charts and what we're actually going to be looking for here today. Pull up the that just letting me know that price it is now 9:30 and that the markets are moving. So let's go to trading view here. I'm gonna take a look and see what we see here. So I'm actually gonna change this back to one screen so we can just look at the one. All right, so current 4-hour candle appears to be rejecting off of this area. Let's look at what our opening range here is. For NAS, okay, you can see we have our high and our low. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. 5 minutes swung the high. We're gonna see if we can't get a steeper move back to the downside. If we do start to see this lower time frame shift with a 4-hour candle bullish close, then we'll look for a buys in order to fill the gap to the upside here, right? Because price, following all the volume that we had following Trump's tariff release, it just bought up immensely, right? So we just got a huge buy up. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope you're doing absolutely great today. Feeling great. Ready to attack the day.
Bruh, how you gonna rip like that?
What are you talking about? Thank you.
Dow Jonesy.
Oh, the wire.
This was the area I'm waiting on, but that's taxi.
Yeah, it definitely just dropped down immensely here on the Dow. Got a nice little retest. Looking for a continuation based play for sell moves to the downside. See if we can't sweep these lows.
That's what I'm waiting on.
Yeah, so basically what we've seen happen on the smaller time frame is lower lows and lower highs getting created. We do have a Dow Jones gap right here that is likely to get filled, and I sent out to the team that, you know, when price goes ahead and fills this gap, we will be executing on buys in that area. But as of right now, price had just been creating lower lows and lower highs within this relative 4-hour bearish market structure here. After that release of the news, had a spike down, correction in prices, kind of slowing down here as we start to tap into or start to get closer to this key level here. But we just want to see, you know, how price begins to react. We got a retest. Could potentially see our sell moves begin here shortly. Nas here extremely bullish on the 1 minute. It's looking like we might actually be seeing buys here for our session time. Price just swept through these highs. Lower time frame on the 5 minute for Dow Jones. 15 coming off of a bullish 15, coming off of a bullish 30. Just gonna wait see what we see here in the markets. I believe we have PMI data being released today as well. Let me actually check in on that. So let us take a look here. We can all take a look together.
Buddy just blessed up.
Alright, let's move this right here. Alright. Let's take a look. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, we have PMI data today. at 10 o'clock.
Thing is, absolutely. That's not what I was supposed
Okay, no, we have PMI data coming out here in the next 10 minutes. So at 9:45, we have data being released. We're going to wait for the data to be released, see what the volume takes price, and then we'll look to execute from our position after that, right? Just going to let this play out in terms of our direction, and then we'll look for our continuation based moves.
Alright, what's the zone? What's the zone? The zone is.
But Nas here, haven't broken this low. Huge impulsive move. It's likely that we go ahead and see this gap fill play to the upside.
Yeah, could see it. Could see it. So, I mean, it's the first breakout we've had of this trend line that's been going down.
Mm-hmm. Indeed, indeed.
So let's just see if she started making another high. I look for a retest for the buy.
Yeah. And with this data that's being released here soon,
Yeah,
we get.
show us some market structure.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Either going down or she going up. She gonna do one, and I'ma get her.
Yeah, YM just closed as a bullish 5-minute sweeping highs. Let's see what price does though. I love you. You could play it. You could. I think I'm just go from over here. Trade on this stream. Right. So we got about 10 minutes here. We just gotta wait. Let our direction get kind of, show itself. I definitely want to see. So what we did have happen here on the smaller time frame is we had a high, and then we swept these areas here, and then we broke above this high up here. So let's actually pull this up. Here we go. Yeah, so we have already taken out the high. 70% chance that we flip and sweep the low. The 4-hour candle closes bullish. We'll see. But in the next 10 minutes here, we should see some type of volume that'll help determine our direction a little bit better here. A good day for trading. Lots of volume in the markets.
Yes, sir.
Which offers some good risk to reward moves. Some solid risk to reward moves.
Oh, how I figured out how I'm gonna do this account, brother? My buffer is gonna be $2,000.
Just on the account in general.
So anything above, I'm gonna snatch it.
I feel that.
I was thinking about it. I was like, man, I can draw down $2,000.
Yeah, I was about to say that's.
I ain't hit that. I ain't never hit that. So it's like, let's go ahead and make that the max drawdown.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do too. Is just leave it at 2,000. So what he's talking about, my brother's in the back. He's talking about his funded account with Top Step. Just making sure to leave $2,000 in there at all times, just to before when taking profits and things like that. Just leaving that buffer, because for Top Step, your accounts become essentially your account is you got to create your own buffer on your account. That's kind of what I was trying to say there. So you have to create your own buffer. With that, you want to, make sure that you leave some room for price to for, some trades that might not go your way, things like that. You got to build your own buffer, and even building it past that, bro. Like in the future,
No, facts, facts.
would be better.
It's gonna be, but that's where the first payout is gonna be.
Oh, where? Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, we might just start buying up. I like this smaller time frame structure on the YM.
Right now, at 9:40, 9:45.
9:45. 5-minute candles flipping bullish here. Definitely want to see like a pullback in the continuation. So we're going to wait for a high probability setup. And just look for these gaps to likely get filled. We got a ton of market structure that price can, kind of push to before we see this gap get filled. Excuse me. So we're just waiting on it.
These background audio.
Oh, man.
Try to get some giggity from Vic when he was here.
Oh, yesterday? Yeah. Yeah, I guess so. That yeah. The verse of the day today, I'm gonna start giving y'all a verse of the day. I'm a big Christian. This is just important to me. Hopefully through these streams you guys will start to learn more and more about it as I, embark on the journey. I've been a Christian all my life. But verse of the day, it says, so whatever you eat or drink or whatever you do, do it all for the glory of God. So that's why I hop on here. That's why we do these streams. That's why we are live. That's why we trade, man. Because we are trying to give back a skill that has been, passed down to us that we've, what am I trying to say? That we have put the time and the effort in to learn, just so that you guys can see the same success using this strategy, all because it's something that God, blessed us with. So we want to bless others as well. All right. Coming into this market session here, we got about 4 more minutes until the news is released. I wonder if this is like max brightness. I'm gonna turn this up just a couple more notches, just so it's a little bit clearer. There we go.
Do you have to keep that screen up?
What?
That right there in front of you. That's your
this one?
OBS, yeah.
I literally just got it up to monitor. Let's let the group know. We got boom. All right, so the team knows what we're anticipating coming into the session. Making sure that everybody knows what exactly we are looking for today going into these markets. Had a high, a lower high. Just swept these highs up here. Four-hour candle looking like it wants to, or let's see. No. 4-hour candle still bearish. And we did sweep the opening session high. So if we get our market structure shift to take out the lows, then that's just what we're going to do. We got relatively equal lows here.
I'll let it break the low, get a retest action, and then get it in on the 5-minute. That'll probably happen after the 4-hour close, so that would be smooth.
Yeah.
If it closes bearish, it gives me a bullish retracement.
Facts.
The next 4 hours, get a flow go. The rest of the
In honor of the Trump terrorists from yesterday, I got my old Beezy on. I see it. Y'all can see it. My mom actually gifted me this shirt, and I had to beg her to give it to me from like some years ago. She's had this shirt since he was inaugurated back in '08, and she was giving it as a gift, but she never wore the shirt. And I'm like, look, let me get that. So when they came to visit us for, I want to say for Christmas, she gave it to me finally after like years of me asking it in pristine condition. Pristine condition. Okay, so 1 minute here. See what we get in terms of PMI data release. I'm actually going to pull up the split screen so that I can start seeing both of them.
Wait, NASDAQ that one?
Yeah. Unless we can hide this. There we go. So let's take a look at both of these structures here on like the 15. Just swept the highs.
What did?
I mean, we swept the highs on the opening range. So like
Yeah.
we took out the high, 70% chance that we come to take out the low.
Okay.
So where I'll be looking for sales is if we get this lower time frame break of this like YM low here. News has just been released.
What's she doing?
Likewise with Nas 100, we get a break of this low as sent out in the daily outlook. If we get a break of that low retest, we can look for possible continuations down. For some reason, my let's see. I love her. Yeah, so that's all we gotta do, y'all. Is just be patient. Now we just wait. I'm willing to wait for it. Getting this impulsive move to the downside, or not an impulsive move, realistically. Let's actually take a look here on 1 minute. For this, high swept, low swept. Could see a correction and continuation down. Looks good.
4 hour looks like it's gonna close bearish.
4 hour is in fact closing bearish.
Hopefully that stays true for the next 13. We get a 5 minute break of the low and a retest. I would like sales, brother.
Yeah. So it looks like I'm gonna be trading YM again today.
Yes, sir.
We're actually going to keep both of these up, but looks like we'll be trading the YM today. You got my head all screwed up. Yeah. We gotta add a video capture device. New. We're gonna put the ZVE10. Bet. We're going to transform it, rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise. Absolutely beautiful. Oh man. this back. Hey, if this low isn't broken, 5 minute closes bullish. You could see another sweep of the high.
Yeah, because it's the bullish movement. This is the start of the bullish candle that broke the high.
Mm-hmm.
Don't need skin. It's 5 minutes about to close bearish though.
Five-minute close bearish in alignment with a 4-hour bearish close. Yeah, nah. We're looking for sales, chat. Chat, we're looking for sales. And that was what was sent to the daily outlook as indicated by this move here on Nas. It's looking like we're going to see it cleaner on YM though, on Dow Jones. Trading view. Transform clockwise. Beautiful. Video capture device goes below. All right, there we go. So we're going to take a look. Oh, wait. That 5-minute rejection.
Don't rule her out just yet. If it ain't close bullish, that'd be crazy. It's 4 hours. Where's that? Oh, I'm tripping.
What, the 4 hour?
It's always all the way up here.
Yeah, the flip is high. The flip is high. Oh, no, it's high. Oh, excuse me.
Going down. We're looking to go down. Don't be scared.
All right, I'm gonna full screen this this Dow Jones. We're just gonna take a look at this. Yeah, the Dow. Bow. Let me see. Make sure I got it up on all screens here. Since my setup is over here, I have to put my phone set up right here so that I can see it, so I can get in on my phone if need be. Yeah, US 30. Got it up on all charts. So 4-hour candle looks like it's about to close bearish here soon.
You better.
Swept these lows. Smaller time frame flip. So with the 4-hour candle closing as a bearish candle, I would have to wait, or I would want to wait more so for a smaller time frame continuation of the shift. So price to break through this high again, then we look for buys if we're going to look for buys. As of right now, we're looking for sell positions for the continuation of the previous 4-hour candle to break the current 4-hour candle low, potentially potentially swiping, goodness gracious, these lows over here. In terms of a larger time frame target, look for these to get swept, and then this low here.
Please come sweep this low, shorty. So I I get that 5-minute retest action.
Yeah, that's a little better. All right, we just about to break this low here. Just about. Oh, okay, what is this? What can y'all see? Oh, this is the arm. Nope. What is this? Oh, this. Okay, okay. All right, we just broke the low. As indicated by my alert, which is always right on time. That's sarcasm, chat. That thing be late. Sometimes it don't even send me the notification. All right, so we're looking for continuation based sales, and want to see a correction and continuation down. Let's see. Let's actually take a look here at Nas one more time, just to make sure. Yeah, no, we don't want to take Nas. Nas is a little complex in this current area. And let me see. Nas looking like it's trying to close bullish. YM still just showing us the creation of a lower lows and lower highs here, though. Which is why I will look for a correction and continuation based play. Boom. All right. So chat, we're just waiting for a correction and then a continuation down. I gotta let everybody know in the Telegram that we just seen the move that we were anticipating.
You have to break to the low after he swept the high.
I'm losing it here. Okay, here we go. Looking for a correction and a continuation based move to the downside. Swipe our larger time frame target lows, which is, let's go over to the 5 minute. Goodness gracious, where is it at? Okay. This is target 1 and 2. So this will likely be one of the last weeks that we actually do the free lives. Then after this, I'll likely just do it in the VIP. And obviously I'll post clips to YouTube and things like that, different trades we take. But this will be something, you know, exclusive of our VIP members. Let's go ahead and send this setup out. US hashtag S30 sales setup right, we're getting a correction up here. Mm. 10 o'clock, 4-hour candle just closed as a bearish candle. I'm going to, let's go, stop loss. 4-hour candle, we want to see a top wick get formed here on the 4-hour. All right, I'm entered in a sell.
Based off that 1 minute flip,
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait for 5.
Yeah, I probably should wait for a 5, but I'm in on this one.
Hope you slide though. If that's the case.
I think about you every single day. I want to make love to you. Whoa. You got that song stuck in my head now.
But I play that thing, cause that thing slide, especially that version of it.
Love it when you do it that way. Sending this out to the Telegram.
Good stuff, brother. How much you up right now?
200.
Amen.
Amen.
Think about you every single day. I really love to you, but baby, won't do me right, cause I like you when you do me that way. Room stops to be or no?
Come again?
The room stops to be or no?
Yeah. So we just broke through that low. Gonna move stops to break even on this trade. So risk free on this move, chat. Think about you every single day. Wanna make love to you. Oh, Think about you every single day. I wanna make love to your body, baby. Won't you do me right? Cause I like when you do it. What's good, Susio? What's good, bro? You gotta run the game, bro. You bailed on me yesterday. You bailed on me. But it's okay. I'm not mad at you, bro. I went and caught a dub after bro got off. Me and Cody hopped on. We caught a little dub, and you know what I'm saying. Kept it pushing. I got off after that though. Or we didn't catch it though. We went to the ship though. My boy said he don't work till 5. What up?
Oh boy.
You can turn it down a little bit.
Yeah, I got you. Says disconnected.
Think about you every single day. Make love to you. Oh, think about you every single day. I wanna make love to your body, baby. Won't you do me? Cause you like it when you do it that way. Got my head all screwed up. Look at these on my face. To you. Oh. Think about you every single day. I wanna make love to your body, baby. Won't you do me? Cause you like it when you do it that way. Alright, so chat, we just gotta let this potentially just ride out.
Ooh. Ooh. This man got a portrait of Malcolm X on the back of his head.
Eddie.
Yeah.
That's kind of wild. I wanna make love to you.
That's to bring awareness for the wrong reasons.
Huh?
Said to bring awareness for the wrong reasons.
I wanna make love to your body, baby. Why don't you do me right? Cause I like it when you do me that.
It's like, gosh, dang. A 400 on that couch chat. On that trade chatter.
On this street.
We chatter. That's what we do. What we do. Half a bando on that thing.
I wanna make love to your body, baby. Why don't you do me right? Cause I like it when you do me that way. I wanna make love to you. Think about you every single day.
Ooh, this nice.
On the live with the game. Feel me?
Is there? Ooh, this nice. Close a garage.
On the live with the game. Feel me?
I want to meet love to you. Oh man, that thing cannot be live with the game. Where is this at? This looks like my type of place right here. Look at this.
Give me 1 second.
No, you good.
Is that the? I seen it. It's out the beach, ain't it?
Yeah, the Mayflower joint.
Yeah, I only know because I know what the park looked like, and I gotta say
I just peeped that up
the
here.
doggy park. Yeah. That's the only reason why I know I seen the jump. Yeah, I was looking at that jump too. I'm not gonna lie.
That look nice. You know what I'm saying? That was like my type of place right there. Yes, sir. Up 600. Good stuff, brother. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We just gotta consistently execute.
I ain't get
chat
it,
and
but it's
team.
okay.
We just
Tell
gotta
him. I'm gonna get the next one. Tell
consistently
him.
execute.
Happy for my boy. You gonna make it do what it do.
I think about you every single day. Dang, bro. Now it's in my head for sure.
I seen that thing all for the past like 2 days. I ain't gonna
Okay, so we just hit that first targeted area, chat. So what y'all want to do here? I'm not gonna move stops in the profit. I'm just gonna let this ride, but just to that larger time frame target. But
oh, they down there.
yeah. What's the what I would make on it?
Nah, 40 something.
47.11, like 708. That low. You guys zoom out a little bit more, right there.
Oh, got you. Heard. Wait, this low? It already broke that low. It can't be that low.
Isn't that one?
This one?
Nah, that's super low. You're looking on the 4-hour time frame. It's at 40.71. Let me see. It had to have been that one low that you was just looking at.
We already passed that low.
Okay, hold on, let me see that. This low right here.
Oh, okay. Wait, oh, that low. Okay, I'm looking at the wrong one.
Which one are you looking at?
Which one are you looking at?
I'm looking at this one.
Okay,
This
yeah,
is
yeah.
what low is that? You're looking at the 4-hour. I'm looking at the 30. Right there.
That's just 41 on my screen though.
40.
It can't be that. It has to be that though. Yeah, that broke on my screen.
I don't know what you're looking at then. I can't swear to you.
This right here, right?
I guess so. Yeah. Bro, we must have different charts, bro.
It's impossible. C-bot? You got C-bot, yeah.
C-bot. Yeah, I guess so. Alright, well, maybe.
Chatter, he caught a dime. Dime in the chat, dime in the chat.
Yeah, chat. If you caught this, definitely drop dime in that chatter there. Oh, and if y'all not in the free Telegram, join the free Telegram and join the free chat too, man. We're trying to get active. I'm trying to make sure the chat is active. I want everybody to be able to eat. I want to make that time. Dang, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, these apartments smooth though.
They are smooth.
Oh man, I gotta let it go. His last Oh, that's still over there by the beach. Yeah, I think that's the wave, man. Oh, I don't got no to do.
Alright, we're getting this little bit of a steeper move to the downside.
Yes, sir.
You know, I appreciate you, brother.
Of course not.
Just following the analysis that was sent out today in the early market prep. Like this was sent to the team. I do need a house. I'm not gonna lie to you.
I need a condo, man, with a garage.
I need a house. Cause Kilo Pup needs somewhere he can run around.
Nah, I'm already knowing, twin. I'm already knowing.
Absolutely needs a place he can run around. Look at these. Oh my face. Dang it, bro.
What?
That song is stuck in my head. It's got a little flow to it though.
Talking about this one?
Yeah.
As far as this version?
Yeah. Think about you every single day. I wanna make love to your body, baby. Won't you do me right? Cause I like it when you do me that way. Got my head all screwed up. Look at these on my face. Alright, if price closes as a bullish 5-minute candle within this area, I'll scale out of this position. Because we hit that first target. We want to see this low get swept. Not this high. Why could we see a flip here is because this is where we got resistance at. On the larger time frame. See, we swept this low. That's where you can generally see some type of potential flip from. Think about you every single day. I wanna make love to your body, baby. Won't you do me right? Cause I like it when you do me that way.
Let's see, 15 minutes. This is the start of the 15 minute. Yeah, this 5 minute goes bullish. It might do a little Humpty Hump.
And then drop, and then.
But it could pull back. Like my shit from yesterday pulled all the way back.
Yeah. And so we're not gonna deal with none of that nonsense.
And I didn't get it at the peak either.
Yeah.
I didn't close it at the peak. I waited for the 15 minutes to close bearish. Or, yeah, bearish.
So we'll likely scale out in this next 5 minute here. In the next 2 minutes. Got my head all screwed up. Look at these on my face. I'm gonna say, ooh, got my head all. Look at these on my face. I wanna make love to you. Oh.
Hey, she's still bearish, baby. OG might hump. I do the hump, they hump.
What's good, JoJo? I just seen your message, gang. What's good? I'm gonna close this at up 700.
Keep it on that, brother. Bring it back. That's what you like to see right there. Don't let me hang. Don't let me hang.
My fault, gang.
You took it on another account too?
Yeah.
Yeah, sir, ski. Where you at on that?
Up one. I'm up one. I'm up one.
Where you at on that? No. Where you at on that now? You can just hit the bottom arrow on the bottom right.
263 down still, which is way better than where we at. All right, so I took full there, chat. I don't want it to. Why did I take full?
Secure green day.
Just secure the green day.
Secure the green day. Chat. That's how you do that thing, man.
Price is likely still to head to our target. So whatever you guys do with that, we did get this 5-minute candle to close bearish. 15-minute and 30-minute look like they're gonna continue to sweep down to the downside. If you're still in this, you can trail your stops above this high here.
Yeah.
That's where I would trail stops if I was still in. Again, I would not have closed the full position if I would have taken more than 1 unit, but took the 1 unit. Not trying to give no profits back to the markets today, especially after tapping into this key area right here. That 1-minute candle hit our first target. Then we get a candle to close bullish here. Even though we did see a correction and a possible continuation, it is likely that we see this create a continued steeper move to the downside. So you can trail your stops above these highs. Like I said, we just broke through this low.
What's up, brother?
Appreciate it. Today is yet to be over though, so we're gonna see. But in terms of the chat, we are gonna we're gonna call it there for the day, on the stream at least. And the VIP, if you're in the VIP, setups that we see, any trades that we possibly look to take will be sent in the VIP. So I hope you guys got some value out of today's session, in today's trade. Got a little bit over a 1 to 2 risk to reward here for our trade. As price closed right here, we went ahead and just took our profits. Solid day, a solid day and a solid trade. So we'll come back tomorrow. Tomorrow will probably be the last day we do these free ones. We'll see. If you guys are active, I might keep doing them. We'll see. But yeah, catch you guys in the next one.
Yes, sir.